Hey guys, it's Eric with E&M, your local SICK product specialist. I want to take a few minutes to show you guys what's going to be in my demo case in 2022. These are some of the hot new products from SICK and a couple of good old-fashioned standbys, so stay tuned. Alright, so first up we have an old standby, the old inductive sensor. These are an everyday use item, gotta have them, they're great. Next up is a SureSense H18 as you might have it called. Has a progress bar in the back, awesome photoelectric, comes in every style of photoelectric you're looking for, from through beam to retroreflective to background suppression. Next, we're getting into some of the more advanced standbys here. We have the old PowerProx. It's a relatively new sensor for SICK, but this gives you not only proximity, but a distance measurement all in an economical platform. The PowerProx is a great sensor if you're looking for distance or to monitor multiple spots on a conveyor using IO-Link. Next, we have the DT35. This is an awesome distance sensor. It's a very economically priced sensor that gives you good repeatability with good accuracy. This is a great sensor if you need to measure level bulk solids, positions of gantries, positions of items on a conveyor, if you're sizing components. This is usually my first go-to distance sensor when I need to measure distance. Next in the distance and ranging, we have the new TIM100 from SICK. This is a 2D LiDAR unit that's IO-Link based and costs less than $1,000. SICK has really put a lot of effort into their 2D LiDAR platform this year, and you can see it in the TIM100. It's powered over IO-Link, it's a small form factor, and it's less than $1,000. Moving into barcode and scanning, we have the old Lector 632. This is usually my go-to 2D barcode scanner. It's a camera-based scanner. It's a great scanner when you need to measure any form of barcode, whether it's 1D, 2D, quick QR codes, maxi codes, what have you. This is a great price point. Interchangeable lenses and lighting. The lens cover is replaceable. This is always a good starting point when you're looking for barcodes. Something new in the barcode world that's new for 2022 is going to be the Lector 610, 611 series. This is a very small 2D barcode scanner, as you can see. It has adjustable focus. The lens is fixed, however, multiple different lighting options, small form factor. This is going to be my new go-to. Very high resolution, very small form factor, very fast response. This is going to be great going into 2022. If you're looking for RFID going into 2022, you should start with the RFU 620. The RFU 620 is a great mid-range, ultra-high frequency RFID interrogator from SICK. It's a relatively small form factor, has a good decent range, can be powered over Ethernet or standard Ethernet in power. This is a good option if you need a medium range scanner. If short range and compactness is what you're looking for in 2022 with RFID, maybe you need to mount this inside of a machine or under a conveyor to get localized tags of totes going by. The RFU 610 is one of the smallest built-in antenna interrogators on the market. This is a great little device. It can be powered over Ethernet. It is a wonderfully fast responding machine, and you get all the features of the RFU 620 just in a smaller package. The range on this guy is up to 1 meter, so that's a pretty good range for its size. As we move into safety for 2022, safety is always important. We have the old standby of the STR1. This is a non-contacting RFID-based safety switch. These are great for machines that have high vibration. Anytime I see a magnetic switch, it gets replaced with one of these. If a safety scanner is your need going into 22, the old Microscan 3. This is one of the most advanced safety scanners on the market. Has HDDM technology to see through any environment, has up to 128 fields and 128 field sets, all the way up to 9 meters of range. This is the workhorse when it comes to safety scanners on the market right now. If compactness is what you're looking for in safety in 22, then the Nanoscan 3 is what you got to go for. The Nanoscan 3 is a brand new product from SICK. It's a safety laser scanner, super small form factor. As you can see, it's very short. You still get a full comprehensive range out to 3 meters on this guy. This is a brand new game-changing product for SICK to get a performance level that you require in a small compact platform for mobile devices or stationary robots. This is going to be your safety scanner. And finally, the D-Tech 4. This is still a relatively new product, but it's always being innovated on. This is the go-to gold standard for light curtains from SICK. These will cover almost any application you throw at them. They're completely modular, built-in stack light, has all your necessary protective field heights and resolutions. They even have a modular system plug on the back that can be taken off and set to whatever functionality you need. There is no better light curtain on the market. And guys, for that's what's in my case going into 2022. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local product specialist. We'll be happy to demo any of these for you. Thanks, have a great day.